Daily Dems doing the work, making noise, and fighting back, day 47. 249 federally elected Democrats showed that they are all in for fighting for and with us. So let's celebrate some of those fighters. Pramila Jayapal has what I guess is a weekly series called 3 Bad Things and 3 Good Things. And this video did help me feel like I can stay engaged and keep organizing, fighting, and resisting. Also, along with Jamie Raskin and Mary Gay Scanlon, she led over 100 House Democrats in demanding information on Mahmoud Khalil's arrest. Before you get angry at your rep for not being on this list, I talked to a staffer this week. The staffers literally go door to door. So they are going to the doors or sending emails to their friends. Your rep genuinely might not know about it. You have to call them and tell them about the letter. The DNC, along with the Democratic Congressional Committee and the state Democratic parties, are hosting the People's Town Hall. They are going to red districts in all 50 states. You can pause to check out which 9 districts they're going to first. This is the WTF Show episode from yesterday, which is a series where House Democrats talk to each other on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, every week for the first 100 days. Yesterday was Ted Lieu and Yasmin Ansari, and today was Debbie Dingell and Steny Hoyer. Adam Schiff posted a phenomenal Substack about why this is a dark day for our country, but also what we still have the power to do, including the media, which, especially when it comes to local media, we do have a voice. And finally, Chris Van Hollen posted 7 videos today, each step of the way through the cloture process. This type of transparency is so important right now. 4% of federally elected Democrats did not do the right thing today, but 96% did. We need to lift up that 96%. Our voices are our superpower, but only when we use them.